Welcome back to CarWow 787, where we delve into the world of powerful diesel engines and the machines they drive. If you're passionate about heavy-duty trucks and the engines that power them, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're comparing two titans of the trucking world, the Mack MP10 engine and the engines commonly found in Peterbilt semi-trucks. Both are renowned for their performance, durability, and efficiency, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive in. Starting with the Mack MP10, this engine is a powerhouse. It's an inline six-cylinder engine with a displacement of 16.1 liters. The MP10 comes into performance ratings, stretching from 600 horsepower for 141 kilowatts with a peak torque of 2,060 pounds-ft. This engine is designed for heavy-duty applications, offering massive power and torque, impressive fuel economy, and compliance with Euro 5 emission standards. It's available in Max Superliner and Titan models. On the other hand, Peterbilt offers a range of engines for their semi-trucks, including the Pakaram X13, Pakaram X11, and Cummins X15. The Pakaram X13 is an inline six-cylinder engine with a displacement of 12.9 liters, delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pounds-ft of torque. The MX11, with a 10.8-liter displacement, offers up to 445 horsepower and 1,700 pounds-ft of torque. The Cummins X15, another popular choice, provides up to 605 horsepower and 2,050 pounds-ft of torque. When comparing the Mack MP10 to the Cummins X15, both engines offer similar horsepower and torque figures. The MP10's 16.1-liter displacement gives it an edge in terms of raw power, while the X15's 15-liter design focuses on fuel efficiency and emissions compliance. The choice between the two often comes down to specific application needs and brand preference. In terms of fuel efficiency, both engines have made significant strides. The MP10 is optimized for fuel efficiency without compromising on power, thanks to its advanced engineering and design. The Cummins X15, part of Peterbilt's Super Truck program, has demonstrated nearly 10 mpg in real-world conditions, representing a 54% improvement over average tractor-trailers. Maintenance and reliability are crucial factors for any engine. The Mack MP10 is known for its durability and long service intervals, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Similarly, the Cummins X15 boasts a reputation for reliability, with extended maintenance intervals and a robust support network. When it comes to applications, the MP10 is ideal for heavy-duty tasks, such as long-haul trucking and demanding vocational applications. Its high torque output makes it suitable for hauling heavy loads over challenging terrains. Peterbilt's engine options, particularly the Cummins X15, are versatile and can be tailored to various applications, from regional hauling to heavy-duty operations. In conclusion, both the Mack MP10 and Peterbilt's engine offerings are exceptional choices in the heavy-duty trucking industry. The MP10 stands out for its raw power and torque, making it a top choice for the most demanding applications. Peterbilt's engines, especially the Cummins X15, offer a balance of power, efficiency, and versatility, catering to a wide range of trucking needs. Thank you for joining us in this comparison of the Mack MP10 and Peterbilt semi-truck engines. We hope this information has provided valuable insights to help you make informed decisions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses and discussions on diesel engines and heavy-duty machinery. Until next time, keep your engines running smoothly and your journeys safe.